Thank you very much for introduction. Right now I'm focusing on data research and tools, and one of such tools which my team is developing was released by Intel in the middle of last year. Today I'm going to talk about different questions, about basic questions. For example, why data is important. And of course, I will talk about how to build own infrastructure. I will give you some advices how to do it. And also I will present Computer Vision Annotation Tool, which probably will help to annotate a lot of data. In general, I'm going to share my experience with you because my team annotating million of objects every month, and probably if you care about data, you will find some useful advices. Okay, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the slide. It's quite obvious. Just want to say a couple of words. We have a lot of examples in history which proves that data is important, right? For example, in 2010, ImageNet was released, and a lot of different computer areas were give new life, I would say. And let me quote Google's research director. He said, "We don't have better algorithms. We have more data." And it's important because if you have enough data for your algorithms, you will advance very quick. You will create next generation algorithms. But data alone is not enough, of course. You should have a good algorithm, you should have computing power, and of course data. And data drives learning.